To install your soft top, start by lowering the tailgate and opening the doors. Unstrap the crossbars at the rear of the vehicle. Next, remove the rods from the holders on both sides and slowly raise the frame, holding the rods in place. Snap the vertical rods into the slot, followed by the horizontal rods on both sides. Insert the rubber tubing into the channel at the top of the windshield frame and slide the top across. Fasten the snaps on both sides of the windshield frame. Now, simply roll the top towards the back of the vehicle. From here, raise the rear crossbar and pull the fabric over it. Snap the top into place across the rear crossbar. Starting on the driver's side of the vehicle, snap the rear flap into the groove. Align the Velcro on the side window with the side panel on the vehicle. Now, zip the side window and push the bottom of the panel into the groove. Close the flap inside the vehicle around the metal frame. Repeat these steps for the passenger side. Next, attach and zip the top of the rear window to the vehicle. Pull down the side zippers halfway on each side. From here, insert the rubber tubing into the channel on the crossbar and slide it across, matching both sides evenly. Align the metal frame on both sides with the groove in the crossbar and push it firmly into place. Snap the rear corners into place by pulling them down into the groove and complete the zipper on each side. Finally, access the tension rods through the back of the vehicle and push them back into place. Remember to fasten the Velcro straps on the inside. Complete this step on both sides. To remove your soft top, start by lowering the tailgate of your Bronco. Release the tension rods on both sides of the vehicle by pushing up firmly and releasing the snap. Release the straps around the rods on both sides. Next, detach the rear corners by pulling down and unzip them. Pull the crossbar out firmly on both sides and slide it off. Unzip the final zipper of the rear window and remove it. Starting on the driver's side of the vehicle, pull down and unclip the rear flap. Undo the Velcro flap on the side window and unzip it. Release the bottom of the window by pulling it out of the groove. Next, open the door and undo the Velcro flaps. Unzip and remove the side window. Finally, unclip the rear flap and repeat these steps on the passenger side. Now that you have the panels removed, unsnap the crossbar snaps while holding onto it so it doesn't fall. Lift the edges of the top over the frame and slowly lower it down. Roll the top to the front of the vehicle. Unsnap the windshield snaps on both sides and slide off the top. Next, we will lower the soft top frame. For this next step, it will help to have someone assist you. Start by releasing the horizontal rods from the windshield frame on both sides, followed by releasing the vertical rods. A small pry tool may be needed. Fold the rods together and slowly lower the frame.